Are you still waiting for the love of your life to return and attend to you? Can't you read the writings on the wall?
What do you want from me?
I want to take you abroad and make you see again. How many times will I tell you that? Obiora have seen a white woman over there, and now you are his past.
Stop saying that. Stop it. Obiora will never do a thing like that to me. Don't say that again.
I'm not telling you to believe me. I'm not. Allow me to help you. Allow me to take you to my place. Please.
I will wait for Obiora to come back. He will definitely come back.
Ujunwa, my major concern now is to have your sight back again. It's dangerous for you to be here all alone. It's risky.
Auntie Uju, please, I want you to listen to what Mr. Kevin is saying. Eh? This is not all about love. Oh. Forget love. Keep love aside. We don't know when my cousin is coming back. This man here wants to help you get your sight. You know I will not be here for so long. I'm going back to school and you cannot be here all by yourself. Listen to this man's help. Oh. Take his help.
I will wait for him to come. I know Obiora will come back. He will come. See, Ada, it's not like I don't want to travel so that I can regain my sight. I'm just scared of that young man. I don't want him to take advantage of me. See, that man has been lusting after me for a very long time. Eh? I'm just scared.
It's okay, don't be scared. His place is very close to my own house. I'll be coming to see you often.
Ada, will you go to London with us? You will not. I don't want to be a victim, madam. I don't want anybody to take advantage of me. I won't forgive myself if it happens.
Eh? Please, don't say that. Eh? Give this guy a chance. We are talking about your sight here. Your papers are ready. You have to travel for this surgery. Don't you want to see? You have to go for this so that your eyes will be okay again.
But why do I have to go to his house? Can't he be coming here? He will come to the house. From here, we'll go abroad now. Eh? I must not go and live with him in his house.
How can you expect him to be coming from Lagos to this place every time to see you? It's not possible now. It's too far. He has to be close to you so that he will be checking up on you and then, doing the 1 or 2 things that he has to do for the trip. Please don't say that though. Once you get to his house, 1 or 2 days, you people will travel out. Stop thinking all these things, I beg. It's not necessary.
Ada, you will not understand. I'm scared. You will not understand where I'm coming from. I know what I'm saying.
It's okay. Nothing is going to happen. It's for good. Don't you want to see again?
I want to see.
It's for good. It's for your own good. Stop thinking negative all the time. You'll be thinking negative. Calm down. Everything will be fine. Don't be scared. Nugo, it's okay.
Because of love, because my eyes. Uju Okoli, yebezina kwa yaloba. My love, where are you? My love, where are you? Uju Okoli, yebezina kwa yaloba. No one to help me, no one to care for me. Uju Okoli, yebezina kwa yaloba. Myself, who did I offend? In this world,
why?
Uju Okoli, yebezina kwa yaloba. Alele mungo monu amo. Uju Okoli, yebezina kwa yaloba. The suffering is too much. The suffering is too much. Uju Okoli, yebezina kwa yaloba. Each time I try to forget it.
Check. Bend down.
Onye fulani isi biko nyelubanyaka.
Where do I put the bag? Will it go inside there? Move your leg a little.
I am helpless. I am hopeless, Lord. Ujungwa polisi, yepesi na kwa yaloba. Ujungwa polisi, yepesi na kwa yaloba. I have lost my love. I have lost my sight. Ujungwa polisi.
I beg I help. No, don't worry. So welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This place is so beautiful.
Thank you so much. Uju, welcome to my house. Let's go.
Thank you. I just said it's a beautiful place.
Okay, this is your room for the meantime.
This place is so beautiful. Thank you.
You can say that again.
Auntie Uju, the place is so nice.
Yes. But I can sense it as well.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I will ask my cook to prepare something for us.
Okay,
I guess we all are hungry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. Thank you. Ada. Come. Ada. Ada. Did you have sex with that man?
God forbid. To Fiakwa. How can you ask me such a question?
Why would I not ask such a question? Ada? Oh, you think I don't know? Okay, the time we stopped at Ore to eat, where did you two go to? You two spent almost 20 minutes, left me alone in the car. Where did you go to?
And Uju, I forgot to even tell you. The car had issue. We even had to cross to the other side of the road to look for someone that will come and help us fix our tire.
Ada, I know why I am saying this. Because you people thought I was sleeping. I wasn't sleeping, no. I heard you too. I could hear moaning. I could sense that people were kissing inside that car. Ada, are you saying that you did not have sex with that man?
I did not do anything with him. I'm not cheap. How can you even be insinuating such? I don't do anything with him.
I am saying it because if it is because of his car and his house that is making you give yourself so cheaply to him, Ada, your body is the temple of the Lord. You shouldn't give yourself to a man so cheaply like that. What do wrong, ma?
It's not that nonsense nail that shook our tire. We were busy looking for how to fix it. I'm very expensive. I'm not cheap. Don't say that. I'm not allowing anybody to.
Ada, are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm sure.
If you say so, no problem.
This place is fine. We are going to enjoy it here. Hi.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. Better than our village house. Hi.
Okay.
Can you enjoy yourself?
Thank you.
Okay.
It's chicken. Big chicken. You like it? Eat it.
You like it? You like the meat?
It's really nice.
Thank you.
It's sweet.
It's very nice.
Oga?
Are you done washing the car?
Yes, sir.
What's the matter? Why is he standing?
Okay. Sir, I see this pant. Oga, why you dey cough now? Take juice now.
That rag! How many times have I told you to stop using that rag to wash my car?
Oga, see am. Na pant no be rag.
Can you get out of this place? Get out. Get out of this place. Get out.
Sir.
I said you get out!
Oga, this is even now.
Silas, can you get out?
Sir.
Get out! Fool! Simple instruction, you can't even understand.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem.
There's no problem.
There's no problem. It's my treatment. You can eat your meat.
Okay.
Should I give you the juice to drink?
Yes.
Please, my pants.
Now you get them.
What kind of useless question is that? No, now you get them. Where is it? Give it to me. Where is it?
I don't throw away the thing, no. You get that dustbin way there around here. I don't carry that thing go throw away.
What?
I even think say na catapult when I see him.
You mean you threw away my expensive G-string pants? Do you know how much that pants costs? Before I open my eyes, if you don't want me to ask your oga to sack you this minute, go and get my district pants right now!
Wait oh. Now the same oga wey you wan report me go give. Now him order me make I go through away am. Because when I see am, I think say na catapult. You know, that thing wey dey like this now. I be wan use am kill bird, but oga say make I go through away am, so that make I go through away am. You know this bird wey dey fly around like this.
Listen to me and listen well. I do not want to repeat myself. I do not want to repeat myself. Go and get me that pants. I don't know how you want to do it. I don't know. Even if you miss manufacturing it, go and get it right now. Do you understand me? Before I open my eyes and close it, go and get me my pants. Now! Fool!
That thing na pants. But na catapult now. When I see am, I be wan use am kill bird. But make I ask, how women dey take? How this girl take dey wear that thing for this day?
I'm going to deal with you if you don't get me that pants. Nonsense! Just let me wait for you. Fool!
Sorry to ask. When did you say we are going to London again?
Next tomorrow. Everything is ready.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. I'm really, really grateful.
I don't mention. You can see I'm a good man. Just that you don't want to give me the chance.
Thank you once more. Thank you for everything you've been doing for me.
You're welcome, Uju. I heard your father was banished from the community.
Oh, yes. 2 weeks ago.
Oh, so sorry.
No, it's okay.
So sorry.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You'll be fine.
Thank you. Baby, so how much are you going to give to me?
I'll give you 50,000.
Why not make it 100K? You know I'll be going back to school very soon.
It's okay. I'll do that. Since you know my house, you can be coming anytime you want.
Look at you, so that you'll be having me back to back, Abby. Okay, let's go to the bedroom.
Wow, sure.
Let's go and continue from where we stopped.
Wow. Come on and carry me.
Oh! Ouch! Are you sure?
Oh! Yeah!
My heart is shattered because of love. My world has fallen apart. Pains are taking over me. Sorrow has taken over me. Oh, Jimo. It has been long. My love left me. But it's still fresh in my mind, love more. I am just a pop line girl, but not by birth.
Who's there?
Just because of love.
Ada, is that you?
Because my eyes.
Who's there? Nonsense now. Ada? Somebody came into the room.
How dare you? Eh? Why will you follow me to her room?
Upon all the styles I give to you, you still left me on your bed and went to meet that blind girl to have sex with her, even without her knowledge.
You're mad.
Am I not sweet in the middle?
You're stupid. Wait, because I allowed you to follow us, right? Listen, mind your business in this house. If you want us to continue, you better do what? Mind your business. Now get inside. Go inside your room and wait for me. Move it!
Sorry now, I'm getting angry.
Go inside your room and wait for me. Do you know what I went through to bring Uju to my house? Do you know how long I've been wanting to have her? You're here telling me about styles and sex. God punish you there.
Who's there?
It's Kelvin. You're not sleeping.
I'll sleep soon.
I hope you're not bored.
No, I'm not at all. I'm very fine. I'm all right.
Okay, just feel free to if you're bored, just feel free to let me know.
I will. Sorry, but I was going to ask. When did you say we are going for?
Next tomorrow.
Okay. But why are you not sleeping yet?
I thought you were bored, that's why I decided to come and check on you.
Oh no, I'm okay. I'm very fine.
Okay, what will you eat? What will you eat tomorrow morning?
By morning I will decide. For now I'm fine.
Okay. All right. Good night.
Okay, good night. Kelvin, I know you are here. I know you can hear me. I can sense that you are in this sitting room. Please, just take me back to the village. Take me back. I want to go back to the village. I want to go back home. I'm sick and tired of being... Okay, I don't want to go to London again. I don't want to see. Just shut
up! Just shut up! You're ungrateful! You're very heartless! That's who you are!
Me, heartless? What have I done? What did I do to you? I don't understand.
You sleep under my roof? You enjoy yourself? If I come to your room to touch you, start speaking in tongues. Yet you want me to take you to London? That's not possible.
What? All I'm asking is just...
Listen. If I come to your room this night and you refuse to open this your leg, I will kick you out of my house. Why not call your stupid Obia to take you to London? Nonsense. Please leave this. Come on, move on.
What have I gotten myself into? Kelvin!
Madam, I beg. I no fit allow you come up for this house. You know they see, but you won't go back to where you come from. How? See, what you go do be say, you go wait. Anytime where Oga come back, he go take you to any place where you won't go. But for now, I no fit.
Oga gets man. I no wan wait make Oga come back, eh? I know road to my village. I can find my way back. I don't need to wait for Oga to come back. Don't pity my condition, oh. I can actually find my way back. I've been walking around inside the house since we came here, haven't I? Please, just let me go.
Madam, wait. See, you be like say you don't understand what I dey talk. Okay, make I ask you. If I allow you come out now, you reach road, motor can't jam you.
Hi.
What did I go tell Oga?
Hey, no, motor no go jam me. I swear, motor no go jam me. I can find my way back, please.
You be like say you dey wicked though. You won't make I lose my job.
Hey.
You no go work.
Oga gets man, I beg now. Just let me go. I really need to go.
Madam, dey here. No, they go anywhere. Just wait. Okay. Fine. Oga don't come. Madam, wait for here. No come out too. Madam, wait for here. Oga don't come. Wait. Wait for here. You want to do? You want to yourself make I take lose my work? Now what do you plan? You don't plan them already. Go this side. You don't go walk.
Let's go, please. Let's just
Madam, dey here. Madam, dey here. Don't look my trouble. You don't look
Silence, what's happening there?
my trouble. Okay, see me see problem. Madam won't come out for no reason.
Uju, where are you going to?
I want to go back to the village. I don't want to stay here anymore.
Listen and listen carefully. You're not going to leave this house until I say so. Do you hear me?
I want to
come here. Come here.
Please leave me alone. I want to go back.
It's okay. Come here. Come on.
I want to go back. Leave me alone.
Come back here.
Please.
Come on.
Oga, you need my help? Now nearly jam half of here. Now what will happen for half a road be that thing? I will go lose my work.
Jesus,
I think I'm going to have you by fire by force. You think you can smart me, right?
I'm begging you. I'm just a poor girl. Please, don't do this to me.
You have suffered me.
Kelvin.
You have humiliated and rejected me. Oh, you think I want to take you abroad? Abi? So you can regain your sight and go back to that your stupid Russian boyfriend.
Kelvin, yes, I am begging you.
You think I don't know what I'm doing?
Don't do this to me, please. I'm begging you.
After I'm done with you, I'm going to throw you out of my house. Come on.
You're a bastard.
No, I'm a good Samaritan.
You're a wicked man.
I'm a good man. Apple.
You will never go unpunished. God will punish you.
God will not punish me. God will bless me.
He will punish you.
God will bless me.
I think I have to run a test on her.
Oh, it's not malaria.
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
But is she your...
She's my wife. She's my wife. Yeah, my wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I said, I have to run a test on her. Especially a pregnancy test. Because I think she's pregnant.
Oh, wow. She's pregnant. Wow. Okay.
You have to bring her to the hospital.
No, doctor. Due to her sight issues, I don't like taking her around. So do whatever thing you want to do here.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
I have to go get my things in the car.
Okay, doctor.
I was just thinking about you when I was having my lectures today.
Really?
I missed you.
I missed you too.
How are you?
I'm okay. I just missed you.
I heard you two talking and I know you both are here. Kelvin, just take me back. I don't know why you are tormenting me, even in this my condition. What's wrong have I done to you? You keep telling people that I am your wife. I am not your wife. I am not pregnant for you. Just take me back. I want to go back. Take me back to my village. I'm sick and tired of all this. Just let me...
Listen, this is the first and the last time you ever embarrass me in this house. Are you hearing me?
Why?
Don't ever in your life embarrass me again. Do you hear me?
You're hurting me. I just want to go back. Get away. Kelvin! How dare you?
Kelvin, I'll be on my way.
It's okay. I've transferred the money to you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
See it, okay?
Oh, one more thing. We're still in Nigeria because of the delay of the embassy.
Whatever, it's none of my business.
Uju!
Mr. Kelvin, she was pregnant, a week pregnant, but the fetus is gone.
Really?
Yes. And you said she fell from the staircase, right?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Okay. Let me just take this call. Hello? Okay. Yes. All right. Thank you. Good.
Doctor, you mean she have a miscarriage?
Yes. And you hit her, right?
No, doctor. I can't do that. I can't do that to my wife. I love her so much. I can't do that to a blind woman.
Really? That's good. No problem.
Oh, young man, how may I help you?
Officers, he is the one. Arrest this man for assault and kidnap. Do not Dr. Frank me. Uju told me everything. You are heartless. People like you are supposed to rot in jail. You promised to take this girl abroad for treatment. What did you do in return? You kept her here. And you are sleeping with her, raping her at will. Officers, do your work.
No,
take him out of here.
Quiet! Mr. Man, quiet! You're under arrest. Whatever you say or do now will be used against you in the law court. Move. Move!
Stand up. Move it. Move.
God will bless Dr. Frank for me. But it's been a long time he paid me a visit. Anyways, may God bless him. Kelvin and Ada. It's alright. I won't cry again. This is the same person my father wanted me to marry. I incurred this injury because of this same monster. This beast. I just wish Papa is around. But it's okay. It's alright.
My leg. Hey. Oh. Can you imagine? What is this now? Oh. Hey. 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 Oh my God. Yeah. This is too bad. What is this now? What is this? Hey! Oh! Look at! I'm going to start spending the money on this again. This is wickedness. Look, you see the person we are walking close to. You cannot even come and tell me sorry. People are wicked. Oh God. Look at this man. What are you doing here? What are you sitting here doing? Why do your fellow man is walking? You are here. They say?
See my leg. I just cut my leg, so I decided to come and sit down for a while and nurse it. I'm sorry.
You just cut your leg?
Yeah.
That's why you are here? Eh? That's why you are here? Eh? I asked you, can you do this job? Can you do this job? Now, you don't cut your leg, have you? Didn't I tell you to let me go and call young boys? Let them do this job. You refused.
Please, I can finish it now. It's almost done. I've finished already. Please, let me just finish it. Please.
Let me just assure you something now. I will not give you your balance if you didn't finish this work.
I will finish
if you like, cut your neck.
I will finish it.
Don't
worry, I will finish it. At least, let me get that money. If it's just for feeding, at least. It's something.
I will not give you your balance. You know me very well now. I tell you somewhere I'm going.
I'm sorry, please. Don't be offended. I will finish it.
If you like.
Look at this pain now. The thing is, it's almost done. I'm through with it. I will do it. Some of these people can be very heartless. Even with this injury, it's still not considerate. Why can people be like this now? If not for the money, for the feeding, I want to use that money to.
Come open gate for me. How far now?
Who you find?
Chuma, which kind of nonsense question be this? You don't know me again. I don't understand.
6 months ago, you dey here. What happened? You know they call Oga for phone.
I've been trying Kelvin's number. His number is not connecting. So I said, let me come and see him myself. Allow me and let me come inside.
Wait till they here.
What is it?
See, I know say it be like say you don't know wetin dey happen or wetin dey play. Make I table the matter give you. Like this, na Oga dey for prison.
What?
Yes, Oga dey prison.
Is it lie? Are you kidding me?
Why I go dey kidding you with this kind of matter? Maybe you bring that fine auntie, we're blind, come our house. Oga come dey maltreat her every day. Okay. Make I call police. Tell police say the main girl where caused the problem don't come.
Just stop it now. If this is a joke, if you're joking, just stop it. I don't like this kind of expensive play. What is wrong with you now? Who is playing with you?
Okay, you think say that me they play with you, Abi? Okay, fine. Oga doctor, call police for Oga. Come carry am go prison. So if you think say I dey lie give you, oh yeah, the door is open. Maybe by the time me and you dey here, where I go call the police, they go come carry you. You go explain, because you no get evidence.
I don't want enter again. I beg.
They remove shoe.
Sorry, I don't want enter. I don't want enter again.
See this one, oh. I think say you dey find Oga. Oh yeah, come inside now. Foolish Mbeke. If I come now, this say na everything person go dey kidding. They speak grammar, they kidding. Come and kidding now. Or you can go for police and I go kidding them there. Oh yeah.
I said your friend is not around.
I am aware of that, Mr. Obiora. I am here to see you.
You're here to see me. What happened?
Can you at least sit so?
I'm not sitting. You can talk.
Well, I am aware that you're not happy in your marriage. So I'm here to make change of things. Listen, I want us to be secret lovers. Your wife tells us about how good you are in bed and how sweet you can be. So I would love to have a test of that.
You're a disgrace. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Wait, can you listen to yourself talk? Married woman like you? Madam, I am not going to cheat on my marriage. It will never happen. You think it's funny, right?
Honestly, did I hear you talk about marriage? The same marriage you are not happy with. Come on. I am aware that you are not happy in your so-called marriage. So I am here to wipe away your tears.
Go and look for who to wipe his tears, not me. Please, stand up. You are beginning to irritate me. Just stand up and leave.
Well, first shot is not that bad.
I said get up and leave! Leave!
Fine.
Don't piss me off.
Mr. Obiora, I would love you to think about this. I am here to give you a good life. Think before it's late.
Leave! There's nothing to think about. Can you imagine? Someone's wife. Married woman, my foot.
Bro, you really missed. I must tell you, you really missed.
Are you serious?
You missed. But I understand, Sha.
For real. Again, I have to ask your wife why you guys did not attend my birthday party.
Anna, I told Chris now. It was work, oh. I was very busy at the office.
Come on. Guy, forget that. Come on.
I'm telling you, I was
Don't
busy
forget
at
that
the
thing.
office.
I understand. I understand what is going on with you. Huh? We are in this together. Marriage is not easy. Okay? I understand.
Let me advise you. If your wife they worry you, pick a side chick. Pick a side chick, man.
Okay, what are you saying? You won't stop advising people wrongly. Which one is you pick a side chick? What do you mean by that?
Don't you have? Don't you have? See, life now once. As for me, I always do what makes me happy.
Nah, one only friend side chick, man. I can't cheat on my wife.
Very obvious now. How can you cheat on your wife when you are the wife? Is it not obvious?
No, I don't like that. Mike, I don't like what you just said. I'm serious. Please don't say it again.
No, he's the wife now.
The party was a bomb. Girl! No. I just want to just leave my head for a moment. Then I will hit the street.
Benita.
Hold on, babe. Let me call you back.
Benita.
Who are all these mad people I'm seeing in my house? Who are you?
Benita. Don't tell me you're drunk. What was that? Don't embarrass me in front of my friends.
Excuse you? Who are all these mad people you brought into my house?
My friends, Mike and Chris. What was that?
They are finishing my drink. You people are here seated finishing my... Stand up and be going now.
Benita.
Come on, stand up. Stand up from my sofa. Do you know how?
Okay.
Go, just go.
Don't push me.
Go away. Get out from my house soon. Look at your dirty shoe. Your dirty clothes. Sitting on my expensive sofa. Do you know?
Benita. Benita.
What? You know I'm
Why are you embarrassing me? What's all this?
Who is embarrassing you? You're embarrassing yourself. You're embarrassing yourself. Bringing mad people into my house and they're finishing my drink. Are you mad? Oga? No, I'm not done. I'm not done talking. I'm not done talking to you. You don't have sense. You don't have any sense in your head. No sense in this your head. No sense. Foolish man. You don't know how much all this drink cost me. See, by the time, look, see, by the time I am done, Obiora, wait, let me stand up from here first. Let him come. Obiora!
What a life. What a life.
Guy, this is small thing to compare what I have seen in that marriage. Listen, I have told Obiola countless of times to quit that thing that he called a marriage and get a life for himself. But he wouldn't listen.
Like, I can't imagine it. I can't withstand seeing my wife coming back home drunk. I can't accept that.
Ken, Obiola cannot do anything.
Obiora cannot do anything. Ken, as a matter of fact, Benita is the one that got married to Obiora. Didn't you see the way Obiora was helpless and mute when she was embarrassing us? Did he see anything? He couldn't say anything. He couldn't do anything. He's the woman.
I feel for him.
It's crazy, man.
For real, I feel for him. Like, I've asked myself this question. What pushed him into this marriage?
What else could push him if not money? What else could push him if not money? No, tell me. Anyway, I don't want to say anything. But in this life, Ken, the worst thing that can happen to you in this life as a man is not to have money. So, bro, hustle. You have to double your hustle. If not, you will find yourself in the same situation with Obiora. Because women, they can never be predicted.
I feel
it's crazy, bro.
You embarrassed me in front of my friends again. Why are you doing this? I am doing everything possible to be a good husband, to love and to accept everything. You insulted my friends and asked them to leave the house. You got drunk after promising that you would never go out and get yourself drunk again.
Obiora, how many times have I told you that I do not want to see your stupid friends in our home anymore? How many times?
Benita, will you ever say sorry for once in your life?
Sorry for what? I should say sorry to you. As what? As who that you are? Are you insane? Is something wrong with you? I should apologize to you.
It's okay. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. You should be apologizing to me. Yes! You should apologize to me. What do you even mean?
Benita, I thought your father may have spoken to you.
Obiora, please now. Please. It's too early in the morning. It's too early to start arguing. What is your problem? Okay, sorry. Don't sorry me. Don't sorry me. You don't like peace. I keep telling Papa that you're very stubborn, but he never listens to me. You know what? Just stand up and get out.
I should get out.
Get out! I was thinking I woke up in a good mood this morning. You just ruined my mood. Stand up and get out of my room. I'll push you now. Get out! I said you should get out! Or is it not money? Would you make something for me to eat? You are here complaining. Lazy man. Somebody will not have peace. Look at those good quiet moments I just want to have. Now you've ruined it.
Okay, I have finished the job. I came to collect my balance.
Ah, so quick. Okay, you have finished the job, Abi?
Yes.
I have no money now.
You said?
I said I have no money now.
How can you say a thing like this now? This wasn't the initial agreement both of us reached now. You said as soon as I'm done with the job, I should come and collect my balance 3,000.
Mr. Man, I will pay you your money, but not now. The country is hard. Even the federal government is owing. Talk of more. I'm owing you. And I want you to understand. Nobody be good. I have somewhere I'm going. I will give you your money later.
But I want you to treat my leg now. Don't you see? Don't you have pity on human being? Eh? Look at.
Try to go and treat this thing before Tatanus Abaya. Tatanus. Call Albania.
I said, where is the money? Is that not why I'm here to collect the balance? Hey. How can people be this wicked now? Look, an elderly man like me. But was that our agreement? How can you be talking like this? Look, don't make me get angry. How can you treat somebody like a nobody? I'm a man like you, for Christ's sake. No sense.
Iche, please. I don't know how you are going to do it, but just help me bring up this matter in the palace. I need to see my father. Let them release him, please. I've been alone by myself. Nobody to take care of me. It's been really, really hard for me. Please.
Young lady, the truth is, I don't know how to go about this, but I will talk to Ichi Ejike. He is the Ono. Have you spoken to him about this?
I have. I have, but the response he gave to me was not really kind at all. It wasn't kind.
What did he say?
Iche, it's not something I want to talk about. I just want you to help me on your own. Anything you can do for me, please just help me.
Okay. It's all right. I will try my best. I'm assuring you that you will see your father someday.
Hey.
Believe me.
Thank you.
Just take heart.
Thank you.
Don't have problem.
Thank you very much, Iche.
No. Get up. Get up.
Thank you.
Just relax. Calm your mind.
Thank you.
The God is on your side.
Amen.
Your wife has bluntly refused you from returning to the office. And with her connection in this company, I don't think there is any company that will want to employ you as far as this city is concerned. She's my girlfriend, but I feel she's overstepping her bound. Honestly, I'm not happy about the whole thing.
I don't understand.
Obiora, file for a divorce. Are you surprised? You are living in shadow of yourself in that marriage. You need a good life. Divorce her and let's get married.
Excuse me. I should...
Obiora, don't tell me you don't know my eyes has always been on you ever since I came into that office. You are a hard-working man. And no lady will want to resist you. Just take a look at me. No kids, no marriage, no husband.
That's because you had a divorce.
And that was the greatest mistake I made. I was so rich and I made millions. It was all over me. But to be honest with you, I now realize it's not all about wealth. But that doesn't matter for now. All that matters now is that I love you. I want to get married to you. I need to open a company in your name. You deserve a good life. I will respect you. I will show you love. Just give me this opportunity and I promise you won't regret it. Please.
Sinine anasi hallelujah.
Somebody give us money.
Oh really? No, thank you. Oh,
He's a man.
Oh, a man?
Yes.
Nah. Chuku Gosiegi. Oh.
He's here.
He's here?
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Mike. I mean Michael.
Oh. My name is Ujunwa.
My name is Ekene. Ekene Chuku. Yes, sir.
I can see you are blind.
Yes, I am, but it was caused by an accident.
Yes.
Oh, so sorry about that.
Thank you.
Are you from this village?
No, I'm not from here. I'm from Umunda. It's
Umunda?
Yes, the neighboring village.
The neighboring village?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, yes, sir.
That's nice.
Thank you for the money. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
It's nothing. It's nothing.